Learn about one of the best ways to make money online that works for anyone on the internet, no matter where they are in the world, and requires no social media followers, networking, affiliate marketing, or anything else. You don't even need any experience to pursue this, and if you want to know how, just keep reading. You should follow this video all the way through to the finish to learn how to make money fast using the 3 websites I'll be showing you. I will be presenting you with a plan that you never believed would help you make money. Now, before I go on to describe how you can achieve this, I am from blank, aka your nation, and I'd like to leave a comment. That way, I'll know precisely where you're from, so that in the future, I can make certain that every video I release is intended for you. So please provide your country's name in the comment section below. And don't forget that I'll be providing exclusive additional advice that will help you to double or even triple what others are earning. So be sure to stay around and keep watching until the conclusion. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. The first step is to go to google.com, and the second step is to browse the webpage to search for Google News. Here's a tiny tip. You can see here that there is a domain that has the most current and most updated news, which is called News. Google.com is the first website that you will see when you search for something. Here you can find a wide range and numerous variety of topics and news, just like you would find in a newspaper. If you are looking for entertainment news or science news or health news or sports news or tech business or anything according to your liking, Google.com is the website to go to. After you've clicked on health, you'll notice that the results will show you the most recent and relevant news articles about health. Feel free to explore and scroll down until you find something that interests you. For example, because this article was only recently published, simply click on it and copy the article's content as shown below. After that, we're ready to move on to step 3, which requires us to visit another website. To complete this step, please navigate to spinbot.com. Put the content of the article into the space provided above and spin. This will rewrite the entire article for you. You will then have a completely new article that is unique and original. You will use those articles on 3 additional websites, which I'll go over with you in a minute, and those websites will of course pay you for them. Some of them will even pay you for every word in the article, and you will now use the reconstructed article. As we move on to the next 3 websites where you'll begin making money, for the first website that I will show you, you will submit the reconstructed articles, or you can design your own articles and submit them yourself. The website is called eatingwell.com. You may not enjoy writing long articles or news columns, which is why I taught you about Spinbots. You can simply copy and paste articles from the internet and then reconstruct them using the website, and eatingwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word. Suppose your article has 1,000 words and you get paid $1 per word. That is perhaps the simplest $1,000 you have ever earned, since all you had to do was copy and paste. Okay, if you like the video so far, please subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up. If you found this video interesting and instructive, please do leave a comment at the bottom of this article. In the meanwhile, if you're still hesitant, let me demonstrate how to submit an article to eatingwell.com. Scroll to the bottom of the website and search for their email address under the title Contact Us. Copy that email address and paste it into the recipient line of your email to the person. Completely rewrite your email with a rebuilt article as the text, and then include the phrase article submission in the subject line. Your letter is now complete, and all that remains is for you to submit it if they find your content interesting. As soon as they have reviewed your submission, they will send you an email asking for your payment information. If you prefer to be paid through PayPal, simply provide them with your account information to claim your money. If you don't have a PayPal account or do not wish to be paid through PayPal, you can instead claim your money through your bank account via bank transfer. There is more to it than that. It turns out that there are other websites where you can post your articles, which brings us to the second website that I will be sharing with you, sierraclub.org. Simply go to their official website and find everything you need to know. Read the instructions and follow them, then send your articles to their email address. This is essentially the same process as you went through with eatingwell.com, except this time, you'll be earning money instead of free food. So, here's a tip. Instead of submitting articles to eatingwell.com, which only accepts articles about health and fitness, you can broaden your article selection here to include topics related to technology and science. Go back to Google News and look for stories that are relevant to these for better results in terms of earning money daily. JSTOR.org is the last website where you may submit your papers for consideration. Simple as that. Visit their website and read the directions, after which you just follow the steps. The difference between this website and the two previous websites is that this website will only pay you 31 cents per word, but it's still a pretty good deal considering you don't have to do much. If 31 cents per word seems like a low rate to you, rest assured that you can make more money by submitting more articles. Alright, so that is the approach for today's video. As I previously stated, it is quite simple and you can do it even if you have no prior experience or expertise. And that's it. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.